Hey guys, this is Tyler back again from the Dinosaur Experience. And today we're going to be making some dinosaur fossils to make your dinosaur birthday party the best it can be. So this might be what it looks like. So tune in, keep watching to see the rest of the video. Hi guys, my name's Tyler. Here's my dad. He's a dinosaur trainer, just like me. I'm learning the ranks, but so today we're going to be making a dinosaur fossil. And for this tutorial, we're going to need an average sized clay. We suggest some air dry clay, Crayola. Some small dinosaurs like Adventure Force, small little dinosaurs. You can get them at Walmart or anything like that. And for this video, we're going to need to open our clay bottle. See our about average size clay. Don't use too much because it will take a while. So we're just going to need to flatten it out. Until it's real nice and smooth. Then we're going to get your dinosaur of choice, and we're just going to put the curve of any of the tails in, put the curve in the tails into the clay first. I might need to mold it out a little bit more. That seems well. Now, so that's good. And now we're just going to need to put the dinosaur head, the body, and everything into it. And then when you feel like your dinosaur is ready, just peel it away, and you've got your dinosaur fossil. So after you've done the mold of the dinosaur fossil, we're going to need to trim it to make it spiffy, or as Martin prefers it, smart. So we're just going to need to cut it a bit. So we've done this, so now it's done. Now that it's done, now whatever extra clay parts you have, you can put it back in the container or anything like that. So once you've cut it around it, then you're gonna have to let it sit there for about 4 or 5 hours to let it harden. And then when you take it out, let it dry for a couple hours, it's gonna be hard, and whoever wants it is gonna love it. Hope this was of use. Bye.